Alright, we have us a 2022 GLB Mercedes. We are doing a blower motor, the resistor, and the cabin air filter. We had a little buddy decide to get up in here and cause all kinds of havoc. So the blower motor didn't work. I had a short for how to diagnose what was going on with it. So right here we have the glove box on the passenger side. Here is our beautiful cabin air filter. So, and here is our blower motor. Caution if you're queasy. Here's the remainder of said little buddy. What is left of him. So he shorted out the blower motor and decided to not let it work anymore. So what we are doing now is replacing blower motor, resistor, and cabin air filter. Easiest way to do, take our glove box off. Side panel right over here is just trim clips. It pops out of the way. Right here will be a T20. Right here will be T20, T20, T20. Another T20 that goes right up in this little section right here. Glove box will come down. There is a connector right here, so don't let it drop down all the way. There's a connector on the back for one of the light assemblies, I believe. And this moves and gets everything out of the way so you can gain access to all the beautiful stuff that you need to do. Cabin air filter is right under here. It has clips like yay. Squeeze them, pull it out, yank the cabin air filter out. Now I have a little turbo fan that I blew and got all of the white shredding up and out of the way. The motor itself is T15, T15, T15. They're relatively easy to get to. The one in the back, you'll need a short extension screwdriver or a Torx bit like yay, because you won't be able to get straight up in there. The two on the side, you'll be able to use a screwdriver T15 in order to get it off. Pop it out, blow everything out. Same thing with the blower motor resistor that goes right here. Two connectors, two T20s, and it comes out. So yeah, we are fixing this customer back up. Have not seen aftermarket parts for these, being it's a 2022. So the customer had to supply dealer parts with a new motor, new wheel, new resistor. It's right here. And brand new cabin air filter. So yeah, took care of their little buddy problem as far as that, but may get back in there. Another one, definitely not that one. That one will not be surprising anybody any other time soon. So questions, comments, feel free to let me know.